Solve the following inequalities giving the answer in this form yakanzi a less than or equal to x less than b, where a and b are constants to be found. Saka uchatsvaga values are a near b from this section, but wapiwa this inequality ndio yauri kusolve first. You are supposed to leave it in this form yakanzi a less than or equal to x less than b. So tirikunzi tina 5x minus 13. So tikuya panapa tobva tanyora 5x minus 13 tovaranzi less than or equal to x minus 6, less than or equal to x minus 6. Tochizoti less than 9 plus 4x, less than 9 plus 4x. So the working method or the working principle I change, we have to divide inequality into 2. So the first section takuchiti 5x minus 13 less than or equal to x minus 6. Takuchinyora another section edu takuchi divide and panapa tochinyora this is x minus 6 less than 9 plus 4x. Right, takuchi solve. My values are x a set to one side. My values are y, that is my values are my constants at now to to the other side. So chatanga this section panapa. My values are x to one side panapa tana 5x minus x less than or equal to minus 6 plus 13. Negative 13 akabva kwari achienda to the other side and positive. Then x agara watagara tinaye panapa akaenda onto this side anosvika chita minus x sezvakaitwa panapa. So takuti 5x minus x tirikuwana 4x, we say less than or equal to tochiti negative 6 plus 13, meaning kuti panapa is the same as 13 minus 6. Do munyoro watingechita. So we are going to work out panapa again. Then tasvika onto this section we are going to say 13 minus 6, then tukubva tawana 8. So tawana 8 wedu from this tikwana 7, I mean panapa tawana 7 wedu, we are going to divide both sides by 4. Tochiti x less than or equal to 7 over 4, meaning kuti value ya x ndo watiri kuti is less than or equal to 4. Tochiwekawo to the other side futi toisa ma values are x ku side rawo ma constants to the other side. So panapa takuchunguya tochiti minus 6 minus 19 less than 4x minus x, like this one. Panapa we're going to get negative 15 less 3x.